Tarlac ini. Magalang. Angeles. Look at the Pampanga. How nice is the freeway. Wala housing din. Going to Morac Cemetery. This is the freeway going to kasanting na yung lugar na yun. Yeah. That's Mount Arayat. Sambales. This is the way to go to Subic Bay. Yeah, you're right. Sambales dito. Subic, o yan, o, makakita. Subic Bay. Going to along the coast. We came from Clark Royce there. That's the place we're going. Morac. Florida Blanca, eh? Florida Blanca, Dinalogpian, Morac.
Or 1 kilometer.
Oh.
Wow, ang daming lakay.
Look. Lahar.
From Mount Pinatubo.
From Mount Pinatubo.
Sambales.
Bilong di sana nga nin lahar yan, eh. Pero yung Kenny, may gisa na yung lahar na eh. Kasi dikot na eh.
Sana yung porang hindi na.
Subic Morac. Exit.
Exit.
Exit going to Morac. Morac. Morac.
Yung tatakan yung Chonel dito.
Oh.
Pinagpuntok na nito. Ay, parang.
Ikaw pa sila, yung at napalagay makasarap.
Pasmol?
Paano, transport na.
Makasali mas mahal.
Item passpol. King gulot. Dahil nga tuwa, kari Christy ang po kalikay. Punta na mo.
Punta na ako. Kahit pa.
Using RFID. Rapid fire. It's like in the US is toll.
RFID, kaya.
Kaya katamo no kay pass, what they call it?
RFID,
Ninano tama.
Diretso yan eh.
Kay... Kahit kalbo.
Kaya niya.
Huwag kanya.